This DVD explains how to install, operate, and maintain the Levelux Kangen water systems. The electrode plate in Levelux electrolysis cell is thicker and larger than similar water systems. Its rust-free titanium electrode plate gives it a superior capacity with high durability. Because of this, the following procedure is crucial as it maximizes the capability of Levelux system, yielding the best quality of Kangen water. Part 1. Setting up the unit. To install the outer screw type nozzle, you should first locate the two accessories required for this step. Once you've done that, you will remove the outer screw already affixed to the faucet and replace it with the faucet adapters. By screwing them in by hand and then tightening it with a coin. Lastly, affix the diverter as shown here. Now that the faucet is equipped with the proper nozzle apparatus, you are ready to install the hoses. Remove the hose ring from the diverter that you have just attached to the faucet. Then, insert the hose ring into the white water supply hose. Now attach the hose with the hose ring. Then you will connect the gray hose attachment to the secondary water stand. Affix the secondary water stand to the inside wall of your sink using the suction cups. For the inner screw type, you will first locate the right pieces required for setup. Then, remove the nozzle that's already affixed there and replace it by screwing the correct faucet adapter and tighten it with a coin. Then, tighten the diverter firmly in place with the faucet adapter, and the nozzle setup process is complete. Now remove the hose ring from the diverter. Then, insert the hose ring into the white supply hose and attach the hose as before with the hose ring. If you have a shower nozzle type, you would use these two diverter accessories. For proper installation, screw the correct faucet adapters tightly into the faucet. To tighten adequately, use a coin like a quarter to tighten the nozzle and adapter. Lastly, set the diverter into the faucet adapter and tighten, making sure it's firmly in place. Once again, remove the hose ring from the diverter and insert the hose ring into the white water supply hose. Now, attach the hose with the hose ring to the diverter. If you have a different faucet type, please contact our customer support center for further instruction. When you have made sure that everything has been tightly assembled, you are ready to plug in the power cord. Once the cord is plugged in, run the water for 3 minutes in order to remove unwanted substance inside the filter. Then go ahead and press the power button. Before you begin operating the water unit, press the reset button inside the water filter cover.
Filter reset.
The setup process is complete, and you are now ready to enjoy the benefits of Kangen water. Part 2. Operating the unit. The Levelux series produces 5 different types of water by 4 basic operations. To begin, simply press the power button on the water unit, and you're ready to go. For Kangen water, press the Kangen button. Keep pressing the Kangen button to select the desired pH level, ranging from 8.5 to 9.5. Then, set the lever of your diverter to ion. If the flow of the water isn't strong enough, the alarm will alert you with a message on the LED screen. If you need to increase the flow, open the water faucet further. Be careful not to overflow the water, as it reduces the quality of Kangen water. Once the flow rate is adequate, run the water through the system until about 2 cups of water has been processed for the best result. Kangen water will be discharged from the flexible white hose. Be sure not to let the hose touch the water surface while pouring water, as it may lessen the quality of the water produced. To produce clean water, press the Clean Water button. Clean water will pour out of the white flexible tube. For acidic water, press the button and select Acidic Water, which will flow through the white hose. Do not drink the acidic water. So, like the standard varieties, strong Kangen water comes out of the white hose, and strong acidic water comes out of the gray hose. An alarm and a message on the LED screen will notify you when it's time to refill the electrolysis enhancer.
Refill specified solution.
First, turn off the unit. Remove the tank cover and the cap. The electrolysis enhancer should be poured directly into the tank through the mini funnel. This is essential when trying to produce strong Kangen water and strong acidic water. Because calcium buildups can jeopardize the performance of the unit self-cleans automatically. You will know when it's in cleaning mode, as it will alert you when that process is about to begin. Keep the water running while the machine cleans itself. The process takes about 30 seconds. To change the sound setting, turn the power off and press the Kangen button for 3 seconds. And select your preference. Part 3. Replacing the filter. The system will alert you when it's time to change the filter. This happens after 3,100 gallons of water has been processed through the system. You should also change the filter when there are higher levels of chlorine showing up in the water. It is also highly recommended that you change the filter after 1 year of usage, even if you are not alerted and the chlorine levels are okay. To change the filter, first turn off the unit and remove the black filter cover. Then, rotate the water filter holder switch clockwise about 40 degrees. And lift the water filter out of the unit. Check that the O-rings are mounted in the proper position. And firmly attach the filter holder to the unit and lock it. Keeping the power off, run the water through the system to get the filter to its ideal working condition. Go ahead and press the power button. Press the reset button of the water filter and you're back in action.
Filter reset.
Please use water filters made especially for Enagic water systems, as other water filters can cause the system to work incorrectly. Part 4. Cleaning and maintenance. While the system has a self-cleaning mode mentioned earlier, there is a more thorough cleaning process that is required for your system to run smoothly. It is recommended that you clean your Enagic water system once every 3 to 6 months. If you live in an area with high calcium levels in your tap water, you should clean the system every 2 months or less. Before you begin the cleaning process, turn the power off. Make sure the faucet is also off and unplug the unit. Remove the water filter holder. Mount the cleaning cartridge and lock it in the same way you would with your normal filter. Insert the red stop cap at the secondary water hose to prevent water flow from the system. Bend the flexible white water tube upward. Make sure the spout is higher than the unit. Turn the faucet on and let water pass through until 2 to 3 drops comes out of the white hose. Then, turn the faucet off and leave it for about 5 hours while it thoroughly cleans itself. When you return back to the unit after the cleaning has been completed, resituate the white tube to its normal position and remove the red stop tube from the end of the spout on the gray secondary water hose. The system requires a strong water current in order to remove remaining substances inside the unit. Run the water for about 10 minutes. Turn the faucet off. Remove the cleaning cartridge. And replace it with your normal water filter system. Run the water again for about 3 minutes. And turn the power back on. Reattach the water filter cover. Now your unit is clean and will produce the highest quality water you can possibly imagine.